Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The drone industry is buzzing with excitement, and today's news is one of the biggest leaks we've seen in months. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, one of the most anticipated drones of 2025, has just appeared in what looks like an authentic retail box leak. Photos of the packaging are spreading rapidly across social platforms, and this isn't just some blurry rumor. It looks sharp, official, and full of details that back up earlier leaks from Drone XL, DJI Rumors Hub, and reliable leaker Jasper. This possible reveal has lit up discussions across the drone community, from professional aerial photographers to YouTube content creators, cinematic vloggers, and even casual hobbyists who want a powerful yet travel-friendly drone. The packaging design itself is sleek, modern, and clearly branded, but what's inside that box is what really has people talking. The front of the box clearly shows the DJI Mini 5 Pro, bundled with the upgraded DJI RC2 controller, complete with a built-in display. This is huge because it means you won't need to connect your smartphone every time you fly. Instead, you get pro-level drone control in one complete package. For pilots who value quick setups, reduced latency, and distraction-free flying, this is a game-changer. The package also reads, Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2, which hints at DJI's strategy to push endurance-focused bundles that include extra batteries, extended charging hubs, and enhanced flight accessories right out of the gate. Here's where things get wild. The box includes the line 52 minutes x3. That suggests each battery lasts up to 52 minutes in ideal conditions, and with 3 batteries included, that's a total of more than 2.5 hours of flight time. For a drone this small and lightweight, that's mind-blowing. Think about what that means in practice. Content creators could film long hiking adventures, cinematic travel montages, or real estate tours without constantly worrying about battery swaps. For hobbyists, it means fewer interruptions and more enjoyment. And for professionals, it gives a serious edge when capturing extended aerial shots in one session. Compared to the DJI Mini 4 Pro, this is a massive leap forward. That older model hovered around 34-45 minutes depending on the battery version. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI is raising the bar for what's possible in the sub-250G drone category. If these box leaks are genuine, and history suggests they are, then we're very close to an official launch. DJI typically sees packaging leaks appear right before the marketing push begins. This likely means that within days, we'll have confirmation of full technical specs camera system, details transmission, and signal range obstacle avoidance systems regional. Bundle variations, official US dollar pricing. The anticipation is sky high because the Mini series has always been DJI's most accessible line, combining regulatory freedom with professional-level features that attract both beginners and seasoned drone pilots. Speaking of pricing, let's break down the rumored accessory list. According to the leaks, here's what DJI may be charging. DJI Mini 5 Pro Standard Intelligent Flight Battery, 69 Intelligent Flight Battery, plus 99 two-way charging hub, 49 replacement propellers, 19 quick release propeller guard, 69 NIND filter, set, 55 DJI Care. Refresh 1-year plan, 80 DJI Care Refresh 2-year plan, 129. These prices seem well aligned with DJI's past pricing strategies. The real standout is that extended life battery. At $99, it positions the Mini 5 Pro as a serious long-flight tool for creators who value uninterrupted sessions. Compare that to rivals like Autel or Skydio, and it's clear DJI is targeting dominance in both price and performance. The rumored launch timeline is also exciting. Sources are pointing to Tuesday, September 16th as the potential reveal date. While not confirmed, this timing makes sense. DJI loves September launches, capitalizing on the fall season when consumers are gearing up for holiday shopping. If true, it means we're less than 3 weeks away from full details, and maybe even shipping. Let's look at what sets the DJI Mini 5 Pro apart from its predecessors. First, there's the official weight sticker on the box, the C0 classification, showing that it stays under the magical 249G limit. Why does this matter? In the US and many other regions, drones under that threshold don't require FAA registration, meaning you can fly hassle-free. For many casual drone owners, That's the difference between thinking about buying a drone and actually buying one. Now to one of the biggest rumored upgrades, obstacle avoidance. The leaked box images suggest the Mini 5 Pro is equipped with low-light capable LAR sensors. This isn't just a basic don't crash into a wall system. It reportedly uses enhanced ranging technology that works in fog, low light, and over complex or textureless surfaces. Imagine flying over snowy landscapes, glassy lakes, or shadowy forest paths. The drone will navigate smarter, reducing the risk of collisions. This would give creators more freedom to focus on framing shots instead of worrying about the drone's safety every second. It's a serious confidence booster for beginners and a reliability upgrade for pros. Another quality of life improvement is the redesigned propeller mounting system. No more dealing with one-time use screws like on the Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 5 Pro introduces a tap-and-twist propeller design, making blade swaps simple, fast, and frustration-free. For those who travel frequently and need quick maintenance in the field, this is a big win. There also seems to be a new power button on top of the drone, possibly allowing for instant activation without the remote. That's perfect for creators who need to grab a quick shot on the go, whether it's during sunrise on a mountain ridge or capturing fast-moving action in a cityscape. Of course, the camera upgrades are the crown jewel here. Rumors point to a 1-inch sensor, which is a monumental jump for the Mini line. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, richer color capture, higher dynamic range, and sharper detail. Imagine recording 4K video at 120 FPS. This opens the door to buttery smooth slow-motion footage previously limited to DJI's larger, heavier drones. The gimbal is rumored to rotate up to 225 degrees, unlocking entirely new shooting angles. For creators posting on Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, this could eliminate awkward cropping and give truly cinematic perspectives in vertical or horizontal formats. DJI knows content creators drive the drone market, and this is a direct response to that demand. All of this combined makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro a powerhouse disguised as a palm-sized drone. It's compact enough to slip into a backpack or even a jacket pocket, but it carries the performance of much larger UAVs. For adventurers, real estate marketers, travel vloggers, fitness influencers, and even event videographers, this could be the ultimate lightweight solution. It really feels like DJI is redefining what the term mini means. Instead of entry-level, the Mini 5 Pro signals professional features in a portable shell. To wrap things up, we have what appears to be official retail box leaks of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. It shows a Fly More combo with the DJI RC2 controller. Rumors suggest 52 minutes of flight per battery, with 3 included. Accessories and care refresh. Pricing are already circulating. Launch could be as soon as September 16th. Major upgrades include a 1-inch camera sensor with 4K 120 FPS video, advanced obstacle avoidance with LAR sensors, tap and twist propeller mounts, a new quick power-on button. Still, under 249 green weight class, avoiding FAA registration. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the defining drone of 2025, blurring the line between mini drones and professional UAVs. The only question left is, are you ready to make room in your gear bag for this next-generation flying machine?